Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukela inazi ezinohlonze eMenijeni.
I'm sure you have not seen any letter that I've signed to close the unit. I have not signed it, and I don't think anybody have ever seen it.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa okuzwelonke we-Lieutenant General Fani Masemola useqinisekisile ukuthi akazange acikise incwadi eyayigunyazwa ukuvalwa kwethimba lamaphoyisa elaliphenya-ke izigameko zokusoconga kosombusazwe KwaZulu-Natal.
Why did you feel the need to keep the conversation alive that time of night?
Because it was convenient to do so. We were both awake.
Umengameli wamajaji e-Eastern Cape Judge uSelby Mbeneng uyaqhubeka nokuphekwa ngemibuzo esigcawini esiphenya isimangalo esifakwe ngaye esimayelana-ke nokuhlukumeza okuphathelene nocansi. Njengoba namhlanje kuhlangana iminyaka emine kwaqubuka izibhili ezadlula-ke nabantu abangaphezu kwama300 KwaZulu-Natal nase-Gauteng, omunye wabasolwa-ke ngokubhebhezela lolu dlame ubonginkosi Khanyile ubhekene-ke naleli icala eThekwini. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezikungqa phambili kanti futhi-ke ezihamba phambili la kwe-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo-ke nakwe-SABC Lihaye. Igama lami nginguDawud Phungula. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osenzo mchunu sevumile ukuthi uyamazi usomabhizinisi wasesifundazweni Northwest uBrown Mokhotsi. Estatementini esikhishwe umnyango umchunu uTheo Mokhotsi unguza kwabo kwezombusazwe kodwa akayena umlingani wakhe kwezamabhizinisi. Lo ngqongqoshe sephindeke wakuchitha ukuthi kwakwahlangane-ke nosomabhizinisi osematheni uVusumuzi Matlala odume ngelika Cat.
Mende shicilelwe ihhovisi likangqongqoshe wamaphoyisa usenzo mchunu sidalule ukuthi ungqongqoshe akazange ahlangane noVusumuzi Cat Matlala futhi akaze akhulume naye noma amukele noma ngabe yini eqhamuka kulosomabhizinisi osematheni. Ngokwesitatimende ungqongqoshe wakubalula ukuthi kufanele libukezwe ithenda elatholwa uMatlala lokusebenzisana nombutho wamaphoyisa i-SAPS ngesikhathi kuqubuka izinsolo zokuthi akulandelwanga imigudu efanele ukuze alithole.
The minister has never met Mr. Matlala, has never spoken to him, nor has the minister ever requested or received anything from him. The minister did, however, initiate a review of the SAPS tender awarded to him when suspicions of possible wrongdoing surfaced. It was the same tender which has since been terminated. Furthermore, whilst the minister knows and has met Mr. Brown Mokhotsi, he is just a comrade and not an associate of the minister.
Kusenjalo ukhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uLieutenant General Fani Masemola useqinisekisile ukuthi akaze acikise incwadi yokuhlakaza ithimba le-SAPS elabeliphenya ngezigameko zokusocongwa kwesombusazwe esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal.
I'm sure you have not seen any letter that I've signed to close the unit. I have not signed it, and I don't think anybody have ever seen a letter where I've signed off the closure of the unit.
uMasemula uqhubeke wathi ezokuphepha zikaMkhwanazi seziqinisiwe ngemuva kokuthola izinsongo. Uphinde wathi uMkhwanazi ngeke ashushiswe ngokudalula imininingwane eyihlazo ethinta ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa usenzo mchunu uVusumuzi Matlala kanye noBrown Mokhotsi.
Umengameli wamajaji e-Eastern Cape Judge uSelby Mbeneng utsheleke isigcawu esihlaleleke isimangalo esifakwe ngayo ukuthi akazange asebenzise amandla nesikhundla sakhe njengejaji ngesikhathi ezidlisa satshanyana kwa-Andiswa Mengo oqashwe njengomabhalane wamajaji enkantolo yasemakhanda. Ijaji uMbeneng lisaqhubeka nokuziphendulela ezinsolweni ezifakwe ngo-Andiswa Mengo zokuthi imilayezo ayithunyelelwa kuMbeneng yayinokuhlukumeza ngokocansi.
Usuku lwesithathu namhlanje ijaji uMbeneng libizelwe eshashalazini lesigcawu ukuzoziphendulela ngezinsolo elisolwa ngazo ihlobele nezocansi kusukela kumlayezo ye-WhatsApp eyayiqhubeka phakathi kwalo nofake isimangalo uAndiswa Mengo. Ijaji uMbeneng litshele ohola ofakazi ngembuzo kulesigcawu Advocate Salom Skipas ukuthi alizange lizicubuzele amagabade kuAndiswa Mengo ngokusebenzisa kabi isikhundla salo njengejaji kodwa laleshela njengawo wonke umuntu.
When I was conversing with the complainant, in spite of the fact that I'm a judge president and the top lawyer, according to everybody's understanding and the media, of course, even though it is so, but when I was chatting here, I was a social being.
But you cannot take away the fact that you are the Judge President. You do not have to impose it on her because you are the Judge President, and she knows that because you say now, everybody knew I am the top lawyer. She also knew that.
The direct answer to your question is, I never imposed myself as a Judge President. The conversation was not between a Judge President and a secretary or a junior staff. It was a conversation between two adults.
Phakathi kokunye lesi sigcawu kufanele sinqume ngakho ukuthola ukuthi uAndiswa Mengo wayehambisana yini nemlayezo yeWhatsApp ababethumelelana yona neJaji uMbenenge noma cha.
The issue of whether it's welcome or unwelcome is something that must be considered within the context of what was discussed. And we can continue and peruse. If she did not welcome it, she should have said so. She did not say that.
Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile eMbalulu uthi-ke uzokhumbula-ke indlela behlonipha ngayo izibophezelo ze-Freedom Charter lo wayeyiphini likamengameli wezwe uDavid Mabuza. Umbalula-ke ubekhuluma-ke ngemva kokuhambela-ko umndeni wakaMabuza eBarberton eMpumalanga. uMabuza ushona-ke ngesonto eledlule neminyaka engama-68.
Amaqembu ezombusazwe abebuthene esosizini agiye ngengoma ekhumbula uDavid Mabuza. Amalungu eFF abeholwa yiphini likamengameli weqembu Godrich Gadi, kanti naye ukhumbule uMabuza wathi uchithe isikhathi esiningi naye ekhaya lakhe.
I spent a lot of time in his home where his parents were and his brothers, siblings and everybody were, and we spent all the time in the family like any other of the children. We will sometimes even finish his meal before he comes back from work, and then he must wait for the next meal the following day.
Unobhala jikelele ANC ufikile eMbalula nayo bekhona ukuzohlonipha uMabuza ekhaya lakhe.
Comrade Didi Mabuza life was a living embodiment of the Freedom Charter's call that, I quote, South Africa belongs to all who live in it.
Mabuza uzohlonishwa ngezinkonzo zesikhumbuzo ezintathu.
Regional memorial services will take place on Thursday in 3 regions in Mpumalanga. In Nhlanzeni region, Paula Sports Field, this will be the main memorial service and will be addressed by Deputy President of the ANC, Comrade Paul Mashatile. Gert Sibande region, Chief Albert Luthuli local municipality, will be addressed by the national chairperson of the ANC, Comrade Gwede Mantashe. Nkangala region, Steve Chwete Sydney Choma Banquet Hall, will be addressed by Nomvula Mukonyani.
uMabuza uzohlonishwa ngomncabo sezingeni lakahulumeni wesigaba sesibili, kanti lenkonzo kumvalelisa izobanjelwa esikoleni eBergvlam High eMbombela.
Inkantolo yeManchester Road Authority kulindele ukuba-ke ikhiphe isinqumo sebheyili sikaMduduzi Mnisi nosolwa ngokubulala uLikhona Force wayeneminyaka-ke eyi-14 ubudala. uForce kwatholakale edindelezile-ke esigangeni eDurban Deep.
You are the person that must make sure of the date. You cannot say, but somebody told me I must appear on such and such a date. The court gives you the date when you appear in court as you are appearing now. If you are afraid that you would forget the date, please ask the court clerk, the lady sitting and working the machine here, or the interpreter for a piece of paper with the date thereon. You must appear at court that you're given. you will be transferred to Court F. You don't come back to Court K unless the magistrate tells you to come back to Court K. You wait in Court F until you are called or you are given a different court.
Bukeli ke umliso osola ke ecaleni ke lakhe ke lokubulala ke noma lokusoconga olikhona force umduduzi Mnisi uyitholile ke lapha ke iBay. Bukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi ukhomishana wamaphoyisa okuzwelonke uLieutenant General Fani Masemolo usekuqinisekisile ukuthi akazange acice incwadi eyayigunyazwa ukuvalwa kwethimba lamaphoyisa elaliphenye izigameko zokusoconga kosombusazwe kwaZulu-Natal. Bukele sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzozicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola kunjalo bazo. Usesilaxazile ke isicelo sakhe sebheli umsolwa oneminyaka engamashumi osolwa ke ngokubulala unina ngesihluku eGamashashane esifundazweni iLimpopo.
Very happy because he made our work to be very simple by abandoning his bail application, because we were having a petition here that the community is already signed the petition yesterday. So we are very happy. We will come here with support for the family of Ledwaba until the end of justice. They got the justice as family. What we can say as victim empowerment, this office of victim empowerment is for them. If they are not happy with services of the police, we are there at the police station as victim empowerment, as social workers to assist them.
Umengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump uthumelele umengameli wakuleli uCyril Ramaphosa incwadi emazisa ukuthi ke kusukela ke ekuqaleni ukangcwabela kuleli ke lizokhokhiswa intela yamaphesenti angama-30 mangabe ke lithumela ke imikhiqizo yale Melika.
uTrump uthele incwadi khombisa ukuthi iMelika ivumile ukuqhubeka isebenzisana nelakuleli yize kunomehluko emkhiqizweni engena kuleli vele eMelika nephuma kuleli yeMelika. Ubese ethi ngenxa yohlobo lobudlelwane abanalo nelakuleli babese benquma ukuba befake amaphesenti angama-30 kuntela yemkhiqizo ethunyelwa iNingizimu Afrika eMelika. uTrump uphinde wathi ngaba kunantele khogwela kuleli ukuba inkampani zakuleli zanquma ukukhiqiza imikhiqizo yazo eMelika nokuyinto abangayivuma esikhathini esingangamasonto bona njengeMelika.
Letters that went out to both South Korea and Japan today, and there will be approximately 12 other countries that will receive notifications and letters directly from the President of the United States. And weeks ago, I stood at this podium and I told all of you that the President was going to create tailor-made trade plans for each and every country on this planet.
Phambilini uTrump usabise ngokuthi kuzokwengezwa intela yemikhiqizo ethunyelwa eMelika ngamaphesenti ayi10 kulamazwe ahambisana nenqubomgomo emelene neyaseMelika nokungamazwe angaphansi kweBRICS. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubese phendula kanjena ngokusongelwa kweBRICS ngaphambi kokusuka enqungqutheleni yabaholi eBrazil.
There is nothing negative in the declaration, and there is everything about advancing the interests of various countries in the world, if not all, and the interests of people.
Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe wezolimo uJohnston Hazel unethemba lokuthi lisekhona ithuba lezingxoxo kanye ke nokubonisana nelaseMelika ngodaba lwentela.
UMzantsi Afrika unemingeni kwicandelo lezolimo, ukuqinisa urhwebo kwaye kwangaxeshanye ukuphucula iindawo ezisemaphandleni. Kukho neminye imingeni efana neendleko eziphezulu zokutyala kwaye nokufikelela kwinkxaso-mali kwaye nakwiimalike zangaphandle. iMelika nayo ize nenye imingeni.
Whilst we can breathe a sigh of relief that this tariff did not come into effect as it was due to tomorrow, it does give us an opportunity to urgently use the next few weeks to be able to try and negotiate a way forward to prevent this.
Amanye amaqela opolitiko athi makuqwalaselwe ukuba abemi beli balala betshile.
is scared to regulate the market and bring some order and logic to the madness of free market running. The state has created conducive environment for exports to thrive.
And as the world shifts, with markets like the USA under threat, we must leverage the BRICS and new trade partnerships to secure our exports and open new opportunities.
We have to have food security for our own citizens here at home, but at the same time we must have foreign trade in order to ensure that our agriculture sector flourishes, is sustainable, viable and profitable.
Kwindaba ze-SABC Dingubulelani Philip eParlamente.
uMary Pad akasayena umgqugquzeli weqembu umkhonto wesizwe eMpumalanga, lokhu ngemva kokuthi inkantolo ivune isicelo saleli qembu sokumephuca kobulungu balo ke kanye-ke nokumsusa kulesi sikhundla.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe lithi isinqumo sokubuyisela uPhadi Sangozibandlela asisho lutho ngenxa yokuthi ubesengasilo ilungu leqembu ngaleso sikhathi. Lithi lamvumela ukuba aqhubeke nomsebenzi weqembu ngenxa yokuhlonipha imiyalelo yenkantolo. Ijaji ke livumelene nezithulo zaleli qembu.
Applicant is no longer a member of the first respondent. 3. It is declared that in terms of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, the applicant is no longer a duly mandated member of the Mpumalanga Provincial Legislature.
uPhadi uthi akazisoli ngokukhankasela leli qembu, nokho uthi uyasamukela isinqumo senkantolo.
It is upon the decision of the courts to see it correct. If then MK has got a weight of the case for today, and it was about me arranging a rally in Volker. So therefore, I'm accepting the decision of the court.
Kusenjalo advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane nowangena esikhundleni sikaPhadi usamukele isinqumo.
Now we have one umkhonto wesizwe. We don't deal with parallelism, factionalism, because the constitution umkhonto wesizwe go back everyone, even those who were misled that Ms. Phadi is a convener.
uPhadi ushise incwadi yomthethosisekelo we-MKP ukutshengisa ukuthi usiyahlukana neqembu ngokuphelele.
Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi uhola umkhankaso wokunqanda ubugebengu eMidrand eGoli nalapho kubhadanywa izidakamizwa ezehlukene.
Lo mkhankaso wokunqanda ubugebengu buseMidrand uveza umkhuba ushaqisayo njengoba sekusetshenziswa izindawo zokucwala ezinwele kanye namabhizinisi amancane ukusabalalisa izidakamizwa kubalwa crystal meth nensangu.
We are doing our undercover work, and then we are also tracking in terms of who's doing what, who's coming to collect where in which store. That information is being sent to people. We know that most of the shops here, they are not complying on the bylaw. Some of our colleagues are coming to really collect in these shops. So we got a tip off on that, even with the drugs as well.
Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi uphinde wasola uphiko olushushisa amacala omphakathi ngokungawasukumeli ngendlela amacala okudayisa kwezidakamizwa ezweni.
All those who are involved in stolen cases and not who are receiving bribes must be fired or must be arrested. There must be that chain. No one has done anything about it. I wish I maybe in a parliament of justice this car straight, because I'm a case of a harm.
Leli dolobha lithi lizibophezele kulweni obugebengu uqeda inkohlakalo kanye nokuqinisekisa ukuthi imizamo yokugcina komthetho ayiphazanyiswa ngaphakathi.
Ingaphezu kwekhulu namashumi amahlanu imijondolo ecekeleke phansi eDakota Siphingo eningizimu neTheku ngenxa yomlilo. Awukho umuntu ekubikwa ukuthi ulimalile kanti ke nembangela yomlilo ayikaziwa.
Abacima imililo nabezimo eziphuthumayo bafike lapha ngeintathakusa ekseni ukuzobhula amalangabo ebevutha ubahanghango. Lo mlilo kuthiwa uqale washisa umjondolo owodwa ngaphambi kokuthi udlulele kweminye imijondolo. Uzinhle Phungula oneminyaka engu-43 uhlala lapha nezingane zakhe ezimbili.
Kuningi nje ukulahlekile ngoba ngiphume nezingane kuphela. Konke kusendlini akukushile nezitifiketi nama ID konke nje ngisele kanje ingane azigqokile la ngicelele ukuyibeka khona.
Mangithi ngiyaphaphama
hayibo kuyasha nangempela kamakhelwane ngivele sale sengivuka ke nami ngivusa izingane ngithi asiphuthumeni bantu abami lapho ngiyasangana ngazi mele ngithatheni endlini ngishiyeni kuba umlilo ususeduze vele.
Abezinhlaka zomphakathi banxusa ukuhlinzekwa ngosizo.
We as OSS have come together as a structure to support our people in time of need. We have put a committee together where we are requesting our community at large to come and assist with various items, clothes, food items, groceries, some furniture for our people, and most probably some building items.
Isaphenywa ke imbangela yalomlilo yize ezinye izakhamuzi sesiqalile ukwakha kabusha amakhaya azo kunxuswe abanye ukuba bayothola indawo yokukhosela ehholo lomphakathi eliseduzane. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngiseDakota eSiphingo.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela. Bukeli usale kahle.